Finding that dream home, it's something so many of us want, but finding the home is only part of the equation. Finding the financing is just as important. Tom Mason, Senior Loan Officer at Nova Home Loans, is here, along with Realtor Christine May, to tell us about some current listings. Great to see both of you.
Good to see you.
And Christine, I want to ask you first, right out of the gate, what is the most important thing that we should consider when getting a qualified realtor?
Sure. First and foremost, find an expert in that particular neighborhood. Just because we are licensed agents and brokers does not mean that we are experts throughout the entire valley.
That's very important. And you said, maybe do some open houses to get a feel for what's out there.
Exactly. Go through some open houses in that area, meet all the agents, and see who you resonate with.
All right, so let's start with a current listing. Christine has brought a current listing, and Tom is going to break down the financing for each listing. So let's start with this one. What part of the valley is this home in?
Sure. This is located at 40th Street and Indian School, just north, in the highly desirable neighborhood of Arcadia Light. It's at 3808 East Monte Rosa Street, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1961 square feet, beautiful separate guest quarters in the back that you'll see there that can be used as an office, fully remodeled, and it is move-in ready.
Oh yeah, it is show ready. I was about to say it is move-in. Okay, so Tom, you look at this beautiful listing. Can you offer some finance options for this Monte Rosa listing?
Yeah, as we'll see up here, I did a couple different options, one showing 20% down option and 10% down option. Worked out a couple payments just so you can get a good idea of what those would be based on at least a 720 credit score and your down payment. This would be a good idea of what the principal, interest, taxes, and insurance all included would be. So that 20% down would get you about $2,300 a month, and the 10% down about $2,600 a month on that property.
That's a great asset for families. You really want to know what that monthly payment is going to be, what they're going to be responsible for. Very good. Okay, let's go, Christine, to that second listing that you brought. Tell us about this one on Tano Court.
This one's located in the East Valley of Ahwatukee. It's a gorgeous property, as you can see there. Lush green landscaping. It's on over a half-acre lot. Perfect place to entertain your favorite guests, complete with pool, spa, fire pit, covered patio. There's just so many amazing features. This is coming to market in 2 weeks, so now is the time to take a look at it.
Oh, wow. Again, another move-in ready.
And it's listed at $1,250,000.
All right, so Tom, over $1 million home here. What kind of financing options do you have?
I thought this would be a good option for our doctor program. We're one of the few lenders in the valley that do that, mortgages for doctors, so they're able to do very little down up with these large loan amounts. I did a 10% down option. The big thing there is there's no mortgage insurance required with that little of a down payment. So breaks down a monthly payment on there, comes to about $6,000 a month at that 3.875 rate.
And that's not something a lot of people would even consider, the doctor mortgage, because they may not feel like they qualify for that.
And it's something I push for the physicians because you can't beat it if they qualify for it. Exactly.
Yeah, I want to ask you about financing. Should we be pre-qualified prior to looking for a home?
Yeah, I think like Chrissy said, go out and meet some agents at open houses, but also know what you qualify for and know what your financing options are so you can make an offer if you like the house.
Right, and you're one of the only, one of the few who offer that. Was it like a jumbo loan? Is that what we would call that?
Well, a lot of lenders do jumbo loans, but yeah, we do the loans for doctors that is a smaller down payment than usual and no mortgage insurance required.
So not only should we do our homework on you, the realtor, we need to do our homework on what kind of financing options our realtors are bringing us, because they may only work with a certain bank, right?
Right, exactly.
So we need to do our homework and know what's out there. Great, that was wonderful. Thank you guys for that advice. Now, if you want some help with your home loan, contact the Mason Group, Nova Home Loans. You can find them at 2850 East Camelback Road, Suite 270 in Phoenix. Give them a call, 602-206-3144, or online at themasongroupaz.com. Now, if you want to contact Christine May to find a home for you, she's a realtor that's ready to work for you. Give her a call, 480-395-7775, or you can visit her website, ChristineMayRealestate.com.